Aloha everybody, Tracie here. How's it? How are you doing? Mahalo for joining me today, and mahalo also for your comments from my vikio last week. You seem to really enjoy it. Please continue to send me comments and tell me what you like and tell me what you want to learn, and I will be happy to accommodate you. One of my goals, my pahuhopu, is to post a vikio every Lāpule, every Sunday. But just remember, yeah guys, I'm an educator, I have a full-time job, I also write music. I'm almost done writing another song, so some of you may have been introduced to me through my music. But I'll do my best to post vikio every Lāpule because I know you enjoy it, you seem to enjoy it, and I enjoy posting it for you. So mahalo for being part of this ohana. Alright. So in this vikio, I want to talk about the concept, the Hawaiian value, the good Hawaiian value called mālama. What is mālama? Mālama means to care for. And from the book that we were talking about last week, ʻāina kekahi, kāpī kekahi, remember this one? Eat some, salt some, meaning eat some, save a little bit for later. Yeah, just take what you can. The story talks about this Kanaka, this man, and he's remembering when he was a little boy in his small kid time, kauwā liʻiliʻi. And look at him. He goes down to Kahakai, he goes down to the beach, and he's looking out. He sees e pā mai ka lā, the sun is shining. Look at how beautiful the ocean is. He's looking at ka ʻili kai, the top of the ocean, how it glistens, yeah. And he's looking at the ʻāina, the land, and wow, he's so grateful. And what does he do? He says, mahalo. He says, mahalo e kia kua. He's grateful for his home, Hawaii. He's grateful for the ʻāina. He's grateful that his ancestors have taken care of this place. The Hawaiians knew we were coming, and so they cared for the land, they stewarded the land, they were good stewards of the ʻāina, right? And that reminded me of an ʻōlelo noʻeau. The ʻōlelo noʻeau, the Hawaiian saying, says, he aliʻi ka ʻāina, he kauwā ke kanaka. Right? E he opili mai. He aliʻi ka ʻāina, he kauwā ke kanaka. What does that mean? The land is chief, the people or the person is steward. Means that the land, if we don't have land, we don't have food. Guys, food no come from Costco, yeah? Food comes from the ʻāina, or food doesn't come from the grocery store, right? For most of us, we buy our food from the grocery store, but that food comes from the earth, yeah? It comes from an animal somewhere, which lives on the earth, or it comes from the ground somewhere, the ʻāina. It comes from the dirt, the lepo. And Hawaiians understood that a couple generations before this generation. It blows my mind that this land sustained over, sources say, over 1 million people at one point, eating from this land. Nowadays, today, it is said that here in Hawaii, most of our food, probably 90% or more of our food is coming from a ʻāina, coming from some foreign land, either from the Americas or you know, some place around the world, and they're shipping the food into Hawaii, meaning that the land is not growing food here. Right? Anyways, so the concept for this week, mālama. E hoʻopili mai, mālama. I hope you learned something from that, and if you enjoyed that, please subscribe, tell your friends, tell your ohana, and until next time, mahalo. Aloha.